Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we dive into the world of rare and iconic cars. Today we have a true hidden gem on our hands, the Porsche 912. Now, you might be thinking, isn't the Porsche 911 the star of the show? Well, the 912 is often overshadowed by its more famous sibling, but trust me when I say, this car has earned its place in Porsche history. Let's rewind to the 1960s. Porsche had already established the 911 as a performance icon, but in 1965, they decided to release something a bit more affordable, and that's where the 912 came in. The Porsche 912 was essentially a 911 with a smaller engine. But don't let that fool you, because despite its less powerful engine, this car still packs a punch and offers a unique driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, which is smaller than the 911's six-cylinder. While it doesn't have the raw power of its bigger sibling, the 912 makes up for it with agility, efficiency, and a driving experience that feels connected to the road in a way that's almost lost in today's more modern cars. This car was designed for those who wanted the Porsche experience, but at a more accessible price point. One of the standout features of the Porsche 912 is its handling. With a four-cylinder engine and a lighter weight, this car is incredibly nimble, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads. The balance it offers between performance and practicality makes it an excellent choice for those who appreciate the art of driving. If you take a step back and admire the design, the 912 is just as stunning as the 911. The lines are unmistakable, with the classic Porsche curves and the same iconic silhouette that's recognizable worldwide. The 912 features the same body style as the 911, but with fewer frills. The look is simple, yet timeless. From the front, the round headlights draw you in, while the rear features the same curvy, athletic design that Porsche is known for. Inside the cabin, you'll notice the vintage vibe, with a simple no-nonsense dashboard and classic gauges that give the car a true 60s charm. The driving position is perfect for those who want to feel one with the car. It's raw, it's authentic, and it truly puts you in control of the driving experience. Sure, it's not the most luxurious cabin you've ever seen, but it's exactly what you'd expect from a Porsche of this era focused on driving and not on high-tech gadgets or luxury features. Now, if you're wondering why the 912 is a collector's item today, it all comes down to its rarity and the fact that it offers a pure driving experience that many modern cars lack. It was only produced for a few years, from 1965 to 1969, and it's become increasingly difficult to find an original model in good condition. The Porsche 912 represents a simpler time, and as people get more nostalgic for vintage cars, this model has become a sought-after classic. While it may not have the raw power of the 911, the Porsche 912 makes up for it with something more valuable: character. It's a car that demands respect and appreciation for what it is. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a Porsche lover, the 912 deserves a spot in your heart, and it's definitely a car that has a unique place in the Porsche legacy. So, if you're looking to experience a true driving legend at a more affordable price point, don't overlook the Porsche 912. This car might not be as famous as the 911, but it's certainly one of the most important cars in Porsche's history. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Porsche 912, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from the Car Collective. And let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more classic car reviews like this. Until next time, keep driving and keep collecting.